While it might seem otherwise based on his dismal box office numbers, Jason Statham is in demand. Yes, not one, but two major franchises are eager to bring him on board. The first is the Fast and the Furious movies, which are headed to Europe for their sixth installment. It would seem a no-brainer to essentially marry the Fast and the Furious and the Transporter, and a great chance to see who's smoother, both behind the wheel and across the scalp. There is even talk of shooting the 6th and 7th FF films back-to-back, with Statham riding shotgun for both. And while one would think that Statham would never ride shotgun, one could also bet he'd be willing to do a lot of things to finally score some wins in his box office column. Because right now, all he's got is The Expendables, where he's second tier. But wait, it gets better. Amazingly better. The rumor is that in addition to The Fast and the Furious, Statham is also being offered the opportunity to star in a franchise, Transformers. Trans-freaking-formers! How is that possible? Because Shia LaBeouf apparently wants out, which is weird because it's the only thing holding his career together. Statham most likely got on Paramount's radar because he's dating Transformers 3 star Rosie Huntington-Whiteley, and it said the franchise would go much darker with him in the lead role. Yeah, it would be a world where the Autobots didn't want to transform so Statham could keep driving them. No word yet, though, on whether Michael Bay, the true star of the franchise, will stay or go. So, do you think Hollywood's newfound faith in Jason Statham makes sense? And would you check him out in either of these franchises, even though you're not going to see him in any of his current movies? Write your thoughts down below. I'm Grace Randolph, and this has been a Movie Bite. You can watch more right now.